Right now I'm in Spili village. It is located in Rethymno, and this area is the parking area. It's pretty huge. Almost hundreds of cars can fit in this area. So if you are coming to Spili, this is the parking area. This place has a parking place, and also there in the parking place there is a toilet. If you need, you can use that toilet as well. And I really want to thank those of you who supported me in Patreon. That means to me a lot, and I'm glad to have your support and your love. And if you are watching this video for the first time, and I will leave my Patreon account in the description, the link of my Patreon. So if you want, you can support me, and I will be keep making videos, and that will mean to me a lot. Already thank you. So right in front of the parking we have here a supermarket, and if you want to buy some stuff you can buy here. And in the left side this is a school. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe, and leave your thoughts and recommendations in the comment section. I will read it, and I will learn something from it, and I will answer each comment personally. So this is kind of the beginning of Spili village. We have here like a shop where they sell dairy products, and then we have like Speedex. I don't know if it's a courier company, and then we have MoneyGram in the same place, and there we have a beauty parlor, and here we have a like a bakery in this area in the very beginning of the village. And from here on we have variety of shops and variety of tavernas and restaurants where you can eat and you can buy things. And here we have this big church, almost close to the square. Okay, so what we have here? Lost dog. See if it's 1 year old. Last time seen in Petra on Sunday 12/9/21 with a bandana on and his collar with a green tag of my phone number. He is microchipped. Any information is purchases for us, please call. Okay, if you are coming to these places and if you would see some a dog like this, it would be nice to call this number and let them know. It would have been nice if they would put a date here so we could know from what time it is. Okay, so here is the beginning of like the square, the Spili village, and we have this beautiful shop here with handmade Cretan products. It smells good.
Good.
These are really nice to hang it on somewhere at house. And in that side we have a shop with clothes. And this is the taxi stop. I came to Spili many times, but I've never walked in this area. So here we have a shop as well with products. Marvel Shop Cretan homemade natural products. Oh, it smells so good. The whole village. Look at these pillows. One day when I have my house, I will come for shopping here. I will get from every village, special village of Crete, something will be in my house. And here, this is the very famous like place of this beautiful village, this water. Folk Museum is in the left side. In 200 meter, Ecclesiastical Museum is also in the right side, and pathway to the Holy Spirit, it is 2 kilometers this way. Nice. Okay, so today I have different plans. I will just show you the village and the other places, but someday I will come and I will take this path to show you the Holy Spirit. And I myself, I haven't been here. I will discover it and I will also share the video with you. Oh, it's so cold. The water is cold. Okay, let me take you under the water so you feel like you took a shower or something. The lens. Okay, if you would ask me what is the date today, let me tell you the date. It is 22nd of September, and it's not windy, it's not cold, it's perfect for it's like perfect to be at the beach, and it is also perfect to be around. So if you are planning to come to Crete, still there is time for you to have a good time, to be on the beach and also explore places like this. Actually, this is very small, but it is really equipped and really nice, and the decoration, the architect is amazing. And we have also here fresh pomegranate juice. I highly recommend this for the people, those who want to have a healthy liver. And I also prescribe myself to eat pomegranate. It's a healthy fruit. Very nice, beautiful bar here. They have ice cream as well and some snack and stuff. And this is a shop where you can buy different Cretan products like purses, bags, scarves, and these type of shiny, beautiful bags, and these purple bags. Like it's like amazing. And look at this. This is in the bucket list. One day I am going to be staying here, exactly in this apartment. If it is an Airbnb, it seems like an Airbnb. The key is behind the door, and look at this. Walking from here up and going to your apartment in the winter is going to be so romantic. And they have, look at here, you have enough wood to start the fireplace and to keep things warm. Okay, so this way it will take you to the church, to the museum, and to the other places. It's up to you, so you should discover this by yourself. And I'm gonna go this way back. There are people staying. Breakfast, snack, brunch, lunch, dinner, salad. So no, it's not just like a bar. It's a proper restaurant. They offer everything almost. And they have also some swimming accessories for you to buy. And we have here a supermarket as well. Phone cards, cigarettes, and fruits, drinks, everything is here. Okay, so if you are staying in Spili, it's going to be really easy for you to go to Agios Pavlos, to Rio Petra beach, to Bravely Beach, and there is this place with a very complicated name, which I am going to be visiting it today. It's like a gorge, but it has a very difficult name. Okay, so I'm going to be there. You can go there and you can come back, stay here, connected to the stay connected with civilization. And if you would need stuff for like eating, for buying and cooking, it will be available here. So if you would ask me how many days I can stay here and I can explore the areas around, I would recommend probably 4 or 5 days or a week. You can stay here and you are going to have a good time to explore the village, to go up there, to figure out the Holy Spirit place, and to give visit to the museum, to eat here, and also to go to the places around. Yeah, like I can surely recommend this place, that you can stay here for 5 days or so and have a good time. And this market continues, well, due to the late events happening around the world, like this whole lockdown and everything. We don't have that many people visiting this place, but I remember this place from the previous years, that it was a very busy place, lots of people around, and you would feel connected, and you would feel those beautiful smiles on their faces, and kind of places are beautiful when there are people in it, and houses are beautiful when people are living in houses. So yeah, it is a bit sad that we don't have that many guests this year because of what I said, but next year hopefully everything will be fine. By saying next year, that's it for the Spili. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any thoughts, please let me know in the comment section, and I will leave my Patreon link in the description. If you want to support me there, you are more than welcome. And already thank you. I really don't know how to say these things, but I'm just trying my best to let you know that you can now support me in Patreon, and that would mean a lot to me, and that will keep me going even further. And other than that, until the next time, peace.